April 2, Reuters, Tesla Inc., TSLA.O, posted record quarterly vehicle conveyances on Sunday. However, quarterly deals development was unassuming regardless of cost slices because of expanded contest and a demolishing financial viewpoint. Tesla conveyed 422,875 vehicles in the initial 3 months of this current year, up 4% from the past quarter. This is 36% more than a year ago. In January, President Elon Musk said Tesla could convey 2 million vehicles this year, up 52% from a year ago. 2022, the base Model Y, which used to sell for $65,990, presently costs $54,990. Quality Munster, overseeing accomplice of Deepwater Resource the board, said Sunday, on the off chance that they didn't do the cost cut, it would be monstrous. I think it shows the economy is getting harder. Electric vehicle producer numbers. Absolute conveyances Q1 2023, 422,875. Absolute creation Q1 2023, 440,808. Conveyances are the nearest gauge of deals delivered by Tesla and are not separated by individual model or locale. The first quarter numbers address a 36% increment in shipments contrasted with the 310,048 detailed in a similar period a year prior, and a 4% successive expansion in shipments contrasted with the 405,278 the organization revealed in the last quarter of 2022. The organization announced 10,695 conveyances of more costly Model S and X vehicles, around 2% of shipments in the quarter. Tesla said it conveyed 412,180 lower evaluated Model 3 cars and Model Y hybrids during the quarter. The organization did exclude creation and conveyance numbers for the weighty trucks. Tesla said it has delivered 19,437 Model S and X vehicles and 421,371 Model 3 and Y vehicles by Walk 31, 2023. We have kept on moving to an all the more even local blend of vehicle creation, the organization said in a proclamation on Sunday. Tesla presently sells 4 models worked at 2 U.S. gathering plants, one in Shanghai and one out of Berlin. In spring, Chief Elon Musk declared plans to fabricate another production line in Monterrey, Mexico, a day's drive from the organization's processing plant in Austin, Texas. The organization additionally makes the substantial truck Semi at its battery plant in Sparkles, Nevada. The organization began conveyances of Semi in December 2022. Money Road had anticipated that Tesla should report conveyances of around 432,000 vehicles for the quarter, as indicated by gauges arranged by FactSet on Friday. Gauges remembered for the FactSet investigation went from 410,000 to 451,000 anticipated conveyances. Autonomous analyst Troy Teslike had anticipated 427,000 conveyances and 445,920 vehicles. The principal quarter of 2023 was set apart by different cost cuts by Tesla, remembering for the US, Europe and China. Tesla's moves have ignited a supposed cost battle in EVs and tested rivals including Portage and General Engines as they attempt to acquire a piece of the pie in the all-electric vehicle section locally. Tesla shares hopped over 60% in the primary quarter to close at $207.46 on Friday in front of the Creation and Supply Report. They shut at $123.18 on December 30, the last exchanging day of 2022. A Tesla client says he felt compelled to take conveyance of his vehicle early, which implied he passed up a large number of dollars worth of cost cuts. Ton Bothinard of Chicago told Insider he requested a silver Tesla long-reach Model Y in Walk 2022 worth $62,440. He paid a $250 reservation expense and said conveyance would be among December and Walk of this current year. Insider checked on his by concurrence with Tesla. Bothinard was subsequently shocked to be given a conveyance date of September. As he needed to pay cash, he was unable to get an adequate number of assets to pay on time, so one more conveyance date was given in November. After some exploration, Bothinard understood that he could exploit the EV tax reduction that comes full circle in mid-2023.